Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin and some other major coins. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Here you can see this is the Bitcoin Tether US 1 hour Binance chart, and in my previous video I was told you Bitcoin have to hit this symmetrical triangle towards upside and Bitcoin break this symmetrical triangle to upside. Congratulations to all of you who took this trade. This was the trade of, let me please tell you, show you, here you can see. This was the trade of 6.9% with 10x leverage. It was trade of 69%. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. In my Telegram post, I was told you Bitcoin is currently in this falling channel and have to break it towards upside, and I set this target. And here you can see how beautifully Bitcoin break this falling channel or descending channel towards upside, and after that have hit this. And it was the trade. Let me please tell you, and please wait friends. It was the trade of 44%. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. Now what is the next move? I'm going to tell you, so please stay in the video and please watch this video complete, because this is very important video. I will cover maximum coins. I think I will cover all major coins, so that is why I am asking to stay in the video, and please hit the like button and please join my Telegram channel. And if you want to trade this on Binance Exchange, then if you want to join Binance Exchange, then just go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get a $600 bonus, then please click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. This is the Bybit affiliation link. After depositing these amounts, you can get $600 bonus. Please read carefully. Let's focus to the chart, and let me please remove these drawings because there is no need of these drawings right now. Here you can see this is the main resistance zone right now, and this is the all-time high of Bitcoin right now. According to the Binance chart, it is at 49,690. You can say 49,700 is the highest all-time high, highest price and all-time high price of the Bitcoin right now. And Bitcoin, look at this dip, and this dip was insane, and it 45,500, and after that we see a pullback. And here you can see Bitcoin is currently moving towards upside. Let me please tell you immediate short-term target for the Bitcoin right now. I think Bitcoin have to hit this resistance, horizontal resistance very soon, and after hitting this, and if Bitcoin break this with high volume, only condition is the high volume. If Bitcoin break this horizontal resistance, I think then our next target will be this 53,300. But for this, Bitcoin have to hit this level, which is at 49,700. First, Bitcoin have to hit this level, and once Bitcoin hit this level and break this level with high volume. Let me please show you the volume. Volume is not very high and not strong volume currently in this chart. We want, I think, that kind of candles to move Bitcoin for upside. These are the candles, but currently volume is getting lower and lower. This will be the indication that Bitcoin may be move sideways. Please focus, and I think Bitcoin, if volume increase, then definitely it will hit 49,700, and maybe after that 53,000. But for this, Bitcoin must have high volume, and currently volume is missing in the chart. Let me please show you the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently at that zone. It is at $47,840. If 1 hour candle close above this zone, $47,900 level, this will be the indication that Bitcoin is going to hit this zone, this price level 49,700 very soon. No, this is currently as a resistance for the Bitcoin right now, this EMA. We have to wait. Friend, please like this video and please share this video to all of your friends. And let me please show you my next chart, because in this video I will show you maximum charts. That is why please stay in the video. This is the Ripple chart, and I was told you in my previous video Ripple is in this rising channel, and maybe it have to reject from that point, and here you can see Bitcoin reject from that point, and after that Ripple reject from that zone, and after that it hit $0.51, and now it is pulling back right now. And let me please tell you my next target for the Ripple right now. For this I have to take this tool. Ripple next target according to the fib retracement is 0.59. Once Ripple break this zone, and after that definitely it have to hit $0.64 level according to the fib retracement, and we have to wait. Let me please remove this, and let me please remove this. First target is $0.59, and second target definitely it is 0.64. These are two targets. Currently it is at 0.56.5. I think definitely it will hit our first target 0.59 very soon, and after that I think it will break this zone and will hit 0.62. Currently these are the two targets right now for me. Let me please show you my next target, which is Ethereum. This is the Ethereum chart, and here you can see Ethereum reject from that zone $1,875 level, price level, and after that we see a big dip in Ethereum price 1,660, and after that we saw a pullback from that point, and it is currently trying to break this horizontal resistance, which is currently at $1,770 price level. Once Ethereum break this, and then definitely it have to go to hit this zone very soon. Our next target is 1,875 for the Ethereum right now. Friend, please show your support and please share this video with all of your friends, because in this video I will cover many coins, many important coins. Please friends, stay in the video, because let me please tell you targets according to the fib retracement. According to the fib retracement, our next target will be this zone. 1792 is our next target according to the fib retracement, and after that definitely it is our next target 1,875. These are two targets. For this Ethereum have to break this zone $1,717 price level. Once Ethereum break this zone, then definitely it have to hit this, and definitely it should hit 1,790, and after that 1,870. These are three targets. First target is 1,770, second target is 1,790, and last target is 1,875. And if Ethereum reject from that zone, then bearish target will be 1,728 is our bearish target. If Ethereum reject from that zone, then bearish target will be 1728, and after that it will go to its golden pocket 1692. These are the bearish targets. Please write down these targets. Let me please show you my next chart, which is very important chart, EOS. In my previous video, I was told you EOS have to hit this target, and how beautifully EOS hit this, and it was the trade of 160%. Many congratulations to all of you who took this trade. And now what is the next move of the EOS right now? EOS break the zone, and after that it rejects from that zone, and after that it go to 4.1, and now it is pumping and break this horizontal resistance, which was previously a strong support, and now it is at 4.73. I think our next target for the EOS will be $5.5, and definitely it have to hit this very soon. This is my target. And let me please tell you target according to the my tool. And please friends, share this video to all of your friends who are holding cryptocurrency. And our next target according to the Fibonacci retracement is that zone, which is 5.08, and our next target and our second target is $5.6. These are two targets according to the Fibonacci retracement, 5.07 or $5.06 and $5.6. These are two levels. If EOS fails and reject from that zone, then our bearish target will be $4.4, and maybe it will go down to 4.1. These are the bearish target, 4.4 and 4.1, and our upside targets are 5.07 and 5.5. According to me, I think that EOS will go up, and EOS will hit this 5.1 and 5.7, maybe $6 very soon. These are targets right now for me. Let me please show you my next chart, which is Litecoin. Here you can see Litecoin hit this zone and 231, and after that Litecoin reject from that zone. In my previous video, I was told you Litecoin must have to hit break this zone, this trend line, and once Litecoin break this, then I was told that definitely it will go up, and here you can see what a beautiful pump, $230. Let me please show you this trend line. What is this trend line, and from where it connects our chart? Here you can see this is the all-time high, and this is the lower zone, and Litecoin break this downtrend line, and it's moving towards upside. This is very good sign for the Litecoin right now. And Litecoin have I think Litecoin's next target, according to me, 500, maybe 600, or maybe $700 is the target for the Litecoin right now for me. Let's talk about immediate short-term targets. This is the downtrend line, which is currently at $208. Once Litecoin break this downtrend line, then definitely it have to hit this 230, maybe 250. These are the targets. Let me please calculate this area. Please friends, stay in the video because this is very important video, and I am making this only for you. Once Litecoin break this, our next target will be 240 to 245. These are two targets, immediate short-term targets for the Litecoin right now for me. Sorry for that. This is the target. I think Litecoin should have to hit this very soon, and definitely it have to hit. It should hit 244, and it will. Let me please show you my next chart. It is the Wi-Fi USDT. Here you can see this is the current resistance level. This is the current resistance level. This is the current support level. Once Wi-Fi break this downtrend line, which is currently at 42,577, then definitely it will hit this zone and 45,000, and maybe after that it will hit 52,000. These are currently two targets, but for this Wi-Fi must have to break this $42,700 level. Once break this, then definitely it will hit 45,000, and after that 52,800. These are two targets right now. First target is 45,000 and second target is 53,000. These are two targets for me right now. I think these are very good targets, and definitely Wi-Fi should hit this. This is the chart of Link USDT Chainlink, and this is the hourly chart. And let me please arrange this chart here. You can see Link rejected from that zone, which is 35 or maybe $35.7 price level, and after that we saw a rejection, and Link down to this level 27.1, and after that we see a pullback from that price level. This is very important zone for the Chainlink right now. Once Chainlink break this zone, then our next target will be this zone 35.3, or you can say $35 is our next target right now for the Chainlink for us. This is the target. Chainlink must have to hit this target 35,300, our next target. But for this, Chainlink must have to close this hourly candle above this resistance, which is at 32.2. Once Chainlink break this resistance, then definitely it will hit 35.3. These are our this is our target, $30.03. Our next chart is VChain. VChain rejected from that zone, which is at 0.069, and after that we see a big dump in VChain's price 0.042, and after that we saw a pullback from VChain's price. Here you can see it break this horizontal resistance, and now it is at 0.0504. Once VChain break this zone 0.0509, then definitely it will hit this zone 0.0609 is our next target. But for this VChain must have to hold this zone, this level, which is 0.0493. Once VChain break this upper trend line, downtrend line, which is 0.051, then definitely it will hit 0.069. Our next target is 0.069, or you can say 0.06 for the VChain. Our next chart is very important chart, and this is the Tron chart. Tron rejected from that zone, and let me please remove some drawings. Tron break this downtrend line, and after that some dump, and after that it break this horizontal resistance. And now what is next target for the Tron right now? I think Tron's next target will be this zone 0.058, and once Tron break this zone, then definitely it have to hit 0.61. These are two targets, 0.061 and 0.058. These are two targets currently for me of Tron. I think Tron have to hit these targets. My next chart is ADA USDT. ADA was rejected from that zone, which is $0.98 and 98 cents. And after that ADA goes down to 0.68, and now it is pumping back. And once ADA break this zone, which is 0.67 with high candle, high volume candle, then definitely it have to hit this zone 0.98. But for this it have to hit $0.87 level. Once Cardano break this 0.87, then definitely it have to hit 0.98. These are two targets, 0.87 and $0.98. These are two targets for the Cardano right now. And if Cardano unfortunately break this downtrend line, which is currently at 0.82, and close over the candle below this, then definitely it will go down to 0.71 again. Our next chart is Polkadot. Polkadot reject from $30.1 price level, and after that we saw a huge dip, and it goes to 23 price goes to 23.26, and after that we saw a pullback. It is now currently in this falling broadening wedge. Once it broke this falling broadening wedge towards the upside, our next target will be, let me please tell you, $29.7, or you can say $30 is our next target. But for this, Polkadot must have to break $27 price level and close 1 hour candle above this. Then it will hit 29, maybe $30 price level. Let me please show you my next chart, which is the Binance BNB coin, and let me please arrange this chart. Binance is rejected from that zone, which is $148, and after that we see a big dump in Binance price 107, and after that we see a pullback, and currently it is 129. What is our next target for the Binance coin right now? Let me please tell you. Our next target, it is currently struggling to break $130 price level, which is 0.78 of Fibonacci. And once it breaks this towards upside, then our next target will be 148. And if unfortunately BNB fails to break this, then our next bearish target is at this zone, 115, or you can say 115. Our bearish target is 115. Our bullish target is at 148. And once BNB break 148, then our next target is very, very big, and definitely it will hit within, I think, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe within 1 month, but it will. And this is the price of $200. BNB must have to hit this. And I, in my video of Binance coin, I was told you that Binance will hit 400%, and Binance is very near. BNB is very near to hit my target. According to the technical analysis, our next target should be this. $190. Once broke 150, sorry, or you can say 149, then our next target will be 190, or maybe 200. These are two targets, but for this BNB have to hold this zone, and after that it have to hit 149, and after that it have to hit 190, maybe 200. These are our three targets. But if BNB fails to hold this zone, which is 0.78 of Fibonacci, and currently at $130 price level, then our next bearish target is 150 and 105. These are two targets. Let me please show you my next chart. This is the chart of 1 inch, and 1 inch was rejected from $6.3 price level, and it goes down to 4.1 or maybe 4.2, and our next target for the 1 inch is 5.57 and 6.32. These are our two targets, and but if it moves towards the downside, then our next support zone is 4.2. 5.5 and 6.3 are our next targets, and if it fails to hold this zone, then it will go down to 4.2. These are the targets. Friends, please show your support to me, and please like this video and share this video to all of your crypto family, because I will make more informative and useful videos to all of you. Just support me, friends. Our next and final chart is Dogecoin. Let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see Dogecoin is rejected from 0.087, and it fails to hold this support zone, which was at 0.069, and now it was dipped to 0.47 and now 0.047, and now it is going up, and it is at 0.056. Our next support zone is 0.054 for the Dogecoin, and our next target of the Dogecoin is 0.068, and after that 0.086. 0.068 and 0.086. These are two upside targets, and this is our support zone. If Dogecoin fail and move towards downside, then our support zone is at 0.054, and our next support zone is 0.044. These are two supports for the Dogecoin right now, but I think Dogecoin have to hit this very soon, 0.068 and 0.087 once again. This is the video, friends. Please show your support, and if you want to join Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's comment section and click on this link and create your Binance account within 30 seconds. And if you want to join Bybit Exchange and if you want to get $600 bonus, which is absolutely free, but for this you have to deposit these amounts. Once you deposit these amounts, then you can get $600 bonus for absolutely free in Binance. Thanks for the watching, friends. Please support and please like this video.